Welcome to a TeachLink tutorial directed specifically towards administrators. We're going to take a look first of all at the admin dashboard. So this will by default be the first thing that opens when you get into your account. The first thing I'd like to address is if you have this red Get Pro button here, it simply means that you do not yet have a license. If your teachers have a Get Pro square box there, you need to be the one to assign them a license as well. You can come on over to your TeachLink school, whichever your school will be listed here. You're going to go to Manage Licenses. Your teachers and administrators will be listed throughout here. This gives them access to the learning objectives, which by default is checked. This is your licenses that are available. So we're going to go ahead and check the demo admin and then update the licenses. If you need a teacher that needs a license, that's the same place to do that. We're going to head back to our dashboard. And you will see now that the red button is gone. We now have a license as admin. So let's go to our TeachLink school. We can manage the administrators. If you have an assistant, behavior specialist, or some other type of admin that you'd like in here, it's a matter of inviting new. Click on that, fill in the information. The other person will need to set up an account and accept your invitation. Very similar to Manage Teachers. When you have a teacher and you want to invite a new teacher, hit that Invite New. You're going to be putting in their information, invite them. It will show up on their dashboard and they will accept your school. Manage licenses is just what we showed you before. Check that every once in a while just to make sure that everyone has a license who needs one. And then the bulk of your time, especially at the beginning of the year, will be spent in templates and forms. So let me skip down right now to manage students. If you send us a spreadsheet at the beginning of the year, we will go ahead and enter your students for you. But if you have a student who comes in the middle of the year, or somebody that somehow didn't get put in there, you can just simply add student, put in their information. Make sure that you put in all the fields that they ask for so that they're easily sortable. We do ask you to send a spreadsheet at the beginning of each year, and we do the bulk of that work for you. Admin settings are some fine-tuning that you can do within your school. You can decide which SLO formulas you would like your staff to use. You can grant them access to all of them or just a few of them, depending on the type of SLOs that you would like your staff to be doing. Make sure you hit the Save Changes. Managing templates and managing forms are very important, and they will be addressed in separate tutorials. So make sure you look for those. Thanks for joining me today. As always, please make sure that you contact support with any questions that arise, and we will be happy to help you out. Thanks for being a TeachLink school.